And the last thing is today. See, the best day to start your personal development is today. We all think about, Monday or next week or next month or next 6 months or next year, something you will do. Don't put on that thing. Whatever you have to do, if that stuff is really going to happen, or really, if you really, really want those things, start doing something for that today. Now, what happened was when I was thinking about writing a book, my first book took me 2 years to write. And my other books, some of the books quite came very fast. One time I released my 3 books in just span of 2 months because now I knew the method. But what happened was, let's say if you're thinking about, writing a book or, applying for a big career or, new job or whatever it is, start doing something right now. It can be as simple as, making some small stuff happen. In my case, when I was thinking about, let's say writing a book, I started writing, a couple of sentences as a paragraph. Paragraph becomes pages. Pages became the chapters. Chapters then became the book. So I started with small, small things. So, start taking those small steps right now. Whatever you are thinking, don't think about the big goals. At the same time, start doing something right from now, today, to achieve those big things. Start today that you always, always, always wanted to start. Maybe, changing your CV, changing your LinkedIn profile, or changing your LinkedIn profile photo. As simple as that. Whatever it is, start doing those small steps now. And, LinkedIn is a powerful tool for the job search. So having your proper LinkedIn profile with the right sort of, the taglines, photo, professional experience and everything. These are small stuff, but they actually matters. So don't put on those things, those are actually going to help you. As I mentioned, the army. So they will, LinkedIn is sort of your, digital footprint, digital identity. When you are sleeping, your LinkedIn is already there. Somebody's watching you on the LinkedIn. So make your profile visible, readable, and, sort of impressive so that other people will get to understand what you do, what your skill set are, and you can use them. So start doing something today. Yeah, coming back to the story of the Alexandra Palace. As I said, when I started looking or thinking big in my ambition that, I want big career success, I approached Alexandra Palace. I had nothing, no income, anything in my pocket. But I had big dreams. And I approached them. I told them, I have to attend this big event. I have to create a consulting company. I will, host this big event. Did I host a big event there? No. But what actually happened was that ambition actually helped me to do something special. And just within a span of, I think, a year, I managed to launch my first book, The Go for Success. And I did it at O2 Arena. So just think about that thing. Just having that ambition and the bigger ambition actually pulls you wherever you are. It doesn't matter where you are. It always matters where you are going. Your ambition gives you the direction. So have the bigger ambition, and the ambition will pull you from wherever you are. So start having that ambition. If you don't have any ambition, career big ambition, just, make some time today and write down that ambition. Don't think, write it down. Writing down actually helps. Write down those things, and, you'll suddenly see a different sort of energy happening to you, and start working on that. So guys, this is how I started, ended up writing almost 10 books now. And as I, make progress in my career, I realized that, all those things which I shared with you today, they actually helped. Having a big ambition, trusting myself, allocating the time, creating the results, having the commitment, and, starting something. Whatever I want, I actually start today. Doesn't matter how big or how small, I start today. Today is a powerful thing in your, rest of your life. So start something, whatever you want to do today. That matters. And this is all about the attract formula, because we're not chasing the success. We are actually attracting the success. So whenever you are, start applying this principle in your life, you will see the opportunities are actually coming to you. There are people along with you, your army, working with you to give you the opportunities. So start using these principles, and you'll start to see the, the many more career opportunities happening to you.